Listen for the bell ringing.
Bell ring the main.
Can you hear it? Oh, there it is.
Bell ring the main. Мы что, едем обратно?
Because we're going back now.
Обратно. А это вперед?
Обратно. Перейдем обратно.
Май. Это вперед.
Это вот трамвайчик есть тормоз?
Не знаю. Этого хотя
Скатимся без тормоза. Может, временно перевернуться. Затем можно вернуться обратно. Я думаю, что у них есть тормоз, поэтому они едут медленно, чтобы никто никакой трамвайчик не перевернулся. Больше электричество, они чтобы подсоединять электричество. Это чтобы его отсоединять. Reasonable space. Наверное, пока не отключается. Да?
Just in case anybody wants to get off. No.
Next one.
Видишь, такая голова там железная, и можно рот закрывать. Такой маленький рот, крутишь, такая. Кто-то хочет выходить, кто-то хочет заходить.
Yeah, there's some stairs at both ends. Just to help people get on and off quickly.
Смотри, рот открывается, у него рот открывается. Смотри, рот открывается у этого железного экрана.
Is that other one gone?
Moving backstage now. That
Take a picture of the man with the opening and closing mouth. I think he's already got
Oh,
one.
it's down there, isn't it?
That's the blue one.
All right. This has all been painted recently.
Yeah.
The new seats and all painted and shiny,
Wow.
just to keep it looking smart.
Big mouse going to hit you. Don't look in the big mouse going to hit you. Did it hit you? Look, it's in a
So today's the first time it's been used since it's been painted.
I like this window seat.
Yes, good, isn't it?
Good then.
You can wave out of it, can't you? Wave to people.
Find 2 more eggs and then you can send your sheet in, can't you?
I cut that from my
Here we go.
Let's see if we can find fires.
It's gone to the left line here. So like you could get one passing here then.
Yeah. Well, this is just like the main line, isn't it? Like we're going into the main bit now.
So there's another train
They
going.
can run 4, you know. They do run 4 on the tracks. On tram weekend, it's about 5 or 6.
Someone else waving.
Oh look, they're driving the boat. Look, in the depot, they're driving the boat around.
Somebody's coming.
Oh, right.
That's a nice yellow siren.
It's sold all its food.
Huh?
The Hungry Hooks packed up, it's sold all its food.
Oh yeah.
That's it, to see Easter Bunny. Look, there's Easter Bunny over there.
We're going to have the race now.
See, look.
That's it, to see. He's over there. Come around here. I can see him.
It's taken 10 minutes from the top just to get to here, you know. It's longer on the way down, you see, because we stop at the one up there and the one here. Yeah. Whereas on the way up, you don't
There's a
stop.
yellow one.
I can't sit in that chair. Not the other one. It's the Easter bunny.
Green one.
That's one of the seats I
Right, at the bottom, we've got 2 more eggs to find and then we're going to go and pay the price.
We'll have a
You
look.
could sleep last night. You seem really tired.
Oh, always tired.
The yellow one. It's the chicken.
Yeah, it goes there. Look, and you can look down there. You see?
You should have fun.
Yeah.
My dad
It's got big ears. It's got really big ears. Hasn't it?
my
My
dad thought it was an Easter bunny.
Your dad was.
My dad thought it was.
Oh, your dad thought it was the Easter bunny. I think it might be. What do you think the SR stands for? Super rabbit.
We're going now.
I think it's the bunny.
What do you think SR? Maybe. Might be super rabbit content.
Oh, do you think S?
Why do you want to come?
Oh, what do you think SR stands for? Super bunny. It's not Easter bunny. It's not Easter.
Yes.
Got to find the last 2 spares, haven't we? Running.